Hello guys, hello. Sorry for the delay. Hello. Okay, we'll start the stream, start the workshop in 1 minute. We'll wait for some people to join. We'll start again. Hello Rishi bhai, big fan. Hello bro, hello Varun, hello. Can't hear you. Is there an issue with my audio? Let me check. Yeah. Okay, so we'll start the workshop now. So let me see how many of you are new to CTF, like never heard of this CTF before. How many of you have never ever heard of CTF before? Like what is CTF? Bilkul clueless. Okay, I can read the chats. I am new. Okay. So we'll start with the what is CTF? Basically, CTF is capture the flag. It's a type of a competition which is made for cybersecurity students or hackers. Hackers go here and practice in CTFs to enhance their skills. You can read the slide as well. CTF stands for Capture the Flag, a game in which players put their skills to practice to solve problems or break into an opponent system. Okay, so basically what you have to do is you are given some challenges and you have to solve those challenges, break into some systems or websites or files you are given. Then you have to find a value. That value is called as flag. Okay. Now, CTFs are of two type mainly. One is Jeopardy style and one is attack defense style. So, uh, I'll explain you both what are those. First is Jeopardy style. In Jeopardy style, organizers who are organizing the CTF set up a set of challenges for you guys, and then you have to solve those challenges and find the flag value and submit it. Now, attack defense type. What is attack defense? Basically, suppose we are two people, and I have to capture your flag, and I have to break into your system and get your flag, and you have to break into my system and get my flag. Meanwhile, we both have to defend our own systems. So that is called as attack defense style of CTF. Okay, now what is a flag actually? Flag is nothing but a string which has a special format. Flag is nothing like it will be like flag, curly braces, and some random text written. Okay, uh, so let's move on. Okay, what takes place in a CTF actually? Wait, I'll increase my volume. Yeah. Okay, so what takes place in a CTF? So in this workshop, we'll be talking about Jeopardy style CTF because that's the most beginner friendly CTF and that's the most conducted CTF all around the world. Attack and defense style CTF are less common, but they are a very good source of practice. Okay, so in Jeopardy style CTF, the CTF server the host, the organizer, they set up some problem statements for you guys. And imagine these problem statements as your coding challenges. Okay, so in Lead Code and all other platforms, you have coding challenges. You have to solve the code, and then you have to submit the code. There will be some test cases that will be running on the code, and then you will be evaluated based on the code you submitted. Okay. Now in CTF, you get some challenges. Now these challenges can be anything. Maybe you can be given a website, or you can be given any file or image or audio file, anything you can be given. Let's take an example of a website. So suppose I am in a CTF and I am given a website, okay, and I am told that the flag is hidden inside the website. Now, what I have to do is I have to exploit the website, exploit in the sense break into the website and make use of the vulnerabilities that are present on the website, and then find a flag value which is hidden deep inside the website. Okay, suppose this website can be anything like a login page where you have to log into admin account. Okay, yeah, this website can be anything like maybe one login form where you have to log into an admin account and just you know log into admin account. You'll be able to see the flag in the plain sight. Or it can be a image also. Suppose you are given an image. Okay, now there are some several techniques by which we hide flags in images or other files, which is known as steganography. Now, like I'll be talking about this later. We'll see what is a flag. A flag is basically a string of text which needs to be entered to the CTF dashboard or the website where you are solving the CTF. All right. Okay. So what is required to participate in a CTF? So most of the CTFs which are conducted all around are free of cost and only require participants to this thing sign up and show up in the event. Okay, but some are paid as well, but Proton CTF is free. Okay, so yeah, some required skills are like basic computer knowledge you should have, because obviously you are dealing with computers and files and some normal basic coding things. Some basic programming skills, as I mentioned, then basic networking skills, because in some CTS they give you a whole network of an area or maybe a network of an organization. Inside the network, in some place, there will be the flag will be hidden. Okay, so basically, they will be given, you will be given some network. You have to break into the network. You have to bypass the security measures, and then you have to find the flag and submit it. So for that, you require basic networking skills. For RCTF, Proton CTF, networking skills are not there because it's very basic one. And okay, next is creative problem solving skills. Okay, now this is very important skills because in CTFs, when you solve lead code problems, you require this thing multiple problems like multiple problem solving skills to solve the problem. Okay, like maybe DS problems are there. In DS also multiple categories are there. So for that you require very good coding skills. For CTF, the Python scripting will be used mostly, and if not, some basic programming will be used. But you should know how to solve a problem, not only coding, but you should exactly know how to solve a problem, how to approach the solution to that problem. Okay. Next and last and very important point is that you should know how to research, because you will be given a description and you will be given some files. You should know how to research about those things, how to read the description and how to take hints from the description, because in the challenge description the organizers will be hiding hints. Okay, you have to decode the hints, like what the hint can be, because the descriptions are designed in such a way that like if you read them carefully you will know how to solve the challenge. Moving ahead, so these are some very common challenge types, and as I told you, network I have not included because it's a different kind of thing. Okay, it's like next level of CTF. So these are main five types of categories, challenge types. First is cryptography. Okay, so you can understand cryptography as basic encryption and decryption. Okay, you are basically encrypting a piece of information and then decrypting the piece of information. Suppose you are given a piece of maybe a line of string, okay, and that line is some gibberish, some random letters and alphabets and numbers and symbols arranged in a random order. You can't read that, obviously, right? So what you have to do is that string is encrypted with some encoding algorithms or encrypting algorithms. Now you have to guess what algorithm might be used. There are some tools, don't worry about it. Like you need not to know each and every encrypting algorithm and all. There are many tools available. You can use those tools and then know what encoding technique might be used. So what you have to do is you have to take that encrypted string, you have to guess what decryption technique, like what encryption algorithm might be used, and then you have to decrypt the same string, and then you will be getting the flag. Okay. Next is steganography. So, steganography is a very interesting kind of challenge. Like, there can be multiple information hidden inside files or images or anything, in even videos. Steganography, you can say, is basically art of hiding information inside a file. Okay. Now, let's take an example of this. Suppose you get a image in the CTF challenge. You have given an image. You have been given an image, and the description says that the image is hiding something inside it. So your first approach should be, okay, the description is saying that the image is hiding something. Let me try steganography on that. You have to take that image. There are many steganography tools available offline as well as online. So you have to take that. You have to use the same techniques, the same software which was used to hide the text. Then you can extract the information from the image. Now that information which is hidden inside an image or file, you can't see from naked eyes. Why? Because it's hidden inside the raw data of the file. All right. So it is hidden inside raw data, like not human readable format. So you have to use such tools and then extract the information. Next is binary type. What is binary type of challenges? Now, basically, you will be given a .exe file or a binary file. For Linux, it's binary files, and for Windows, it will be .exe file or .msi file. Anything can be there. Now, there will be an application program. You have When you run that application, it will say you some very illogical thing, like which is not at all humanly possible. Suppose I am given one application. Okay, in one challenge I am given one application. If I run that application, the application says that you have to type proton 5 times in 5 milliseconds. It is not humanly possible, right? You can't even script because that application is custom made, so you don't have anything to script about it. Now, what you have to do is you have to reverse engineer the whole program, the whole application. Multiple tools are available for that, like Gidra, and one more is there. Like many multiple tools are there, Hex Editor and all. What you have to do is that you have to take that application file, then you have to reverse engineer, you have to look into the code how it is made, and then see what exactly it is demanding, and inside the code itself the flag will be hidden. All right. So next is web exploitation. This is a very common type of this thing challenge in CTF. What you will be given is you will be given one website. Okay, you have to exploit that website. You have to make use of the vulnerabilities in that website, and then you have to find the flags that will be hidden. Now these vulnerabilities can be of any type. There are many vulnerabilities, but most of the time the things will be hidden inside, the hints and the clues will be hidden inside the source code. I'll show you right now how to see the source code and how to do other things. Don't worry about that. Okay. Next is PWN, or we say pawn challenges. Okay. Now, what is it? You exploit a server to find the flag. Now, basically, you are given one IP address of a server. Maybe you are given one virtual machine ka image. You have to run that machine on your virtual machine. I mean, you have to run that image on your virtual machine, and then you have to find out the flag. I can show you one example of this later on in the workshop. We'll first finish the basics, or you can say theory part. We'll finish it fast, and then I'll show you the demo of whatever challenges are possible. Yeah, so this is one question, that why should one take part in a CTF? So the answer is very simple. Why do you participate in hackathons, or why do you participate in lead code or competitive programming? To improve your skills. All right. Basically, to improve your skills in cybersecurity and ethical hacking, you should take part in CTF. If you are not from cybersecurity, it's not like you should not take part in CTF. CTF is a very good way to enhance your problem solving skills, because anyways, if you are even if you are a software developer, you should know that how vulnerabilities can be exploited, how the vulnerabilities can be made and found. So you should know about this. You should be very good in problem solving. The CTF is a platform which makes you capable of do all those things and enhances your problem solving skills. Okay. Next is how to get started with CTFs. See, getting started with CTFs is very simple, as there are many beginner friendly platforms, and some of the popular ones you can see on the screen I have mentioned. TryHackMe, it's very good. It has a very good documentation. You can set it up at home only, and then Hack the Box is similar to TryHackMe. The TryHackMe also provides some certifications. Even the Hack the Box provides some certifications. You can do that. Then one is the Pico CTF, which is a very good platform. It's completely free of cost, and there are multiple challenges uploaded by multiple users, multiple categories, difficulties. You can try that. Okay, so now these are the tools you'll be needing. Okay, first is Burp Suite. I will not go deep inside these tools. I'll just explain you what these tools are. So first is Burp Suite. Okay, Burp Suite is basically a tool for to test the network, or to test the request, to see the request, what and all requests are being made to the network. Now, what is a request? Now, what is the request? Just a minute. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So what is a request? Basically, when you have given one website, uh, when you have given one website, that website will be communicating with us with the server that it is hosted on. All right. Now, what you have to do, the burp suite does is it stands in between the website and the server. Whatever request the website makes, the burp suite captures the request, it analyzes the request, and then shows you what the request is being made. Then it forwards the request back to the server. So basic tools are there. You can Nmap is for network scanning, Gidra is for, I told you, reverse engineering and all. CyberChef is for cryptography and stego based challenges. I'll show you all these tools one by one. Linux. Okay. So Linux, is a very good platform, like very good OS to start this thing CTF, because CTFs are way easier on Linux systems, because Linux is packed with pre-installed softwares for this thing. You can install the softwares in Windows as well. There is no issue, but Linux comes pre-installed with that. Fine. This we'll see later. I'll just now show you some CTF platforms. Okay. Yeah. So this is one website which you can see. It's called as ctftime.org. This website basically shows you all the CTFs that are being going around the world and all. You can see the upcoming events. If you can participate, you can participate in that. Then top scoring teams are displayed over here and all that thing. Now running it shows you live challenges and all XYZ. Okay, so this is a very good platform to get in touch, like not keep in touch and keep knowledge about all the CTFs and all. Yeah. Okay. So next is Google CTF. Yes, guys, Google also provides CTF, and it's very good. You can see that. I'll show you the scoreboard. Like these all are the people who are scoring good in CTS, and you have to first log in basically. Then you will be able to see the challenges and all, and then you can solve the challenges, and top scorers will be displayed on the scoreboard. Next platform is CTFD. I'll show you the demo of it later on in the live stream, so be in the stream. Yeah. Right now, let's solve some challenges. Okay, I'll show you how to solve the challenge. So this is the platform of Pico CTF, as I explained you earlier, which is a very good a platform for beginners. Okay, now let's see when you participate in a CTF, you will be given a platform, a dashboard looking similar to this. All right. So let's see what and all challenges I have. I have many challenges. Okay, I'll try this thing. Cookie Monster secret recipe. You see, if I click it, it has given me one description. Okay, Cookie Monster has hidden his top secret cookie recipe somewhere on his website. As an expiring cookie detective, your mission is to uncover this uh, delectable secret. Can you outsmart Cookie Monster and find the hidden recipe? Okay, we'll solve this challenge, but first I'll explain you what a cookie is. Okay, so for to explain you what the cookies, I'll show you what is a how a cookie looks like. So what I did right now, I just opened the inspect tab. Okay. Hmm. So this is called as inspect tab. You can open it by Control Shift I. You can press Control Shift and I, and this tab will open. By default, elements you can inspect the elements over here like this, and it will tell you what and all elements are there. You can see the code. Then you have a console for JavaScript code writing. Then I'll show you what a cookie is. If I go to application, and under application, if I go to cookies, I can see that there are multiple cookies that are stored for this website. I am logged into the website, and there are multiple cookies that are stored in the website related to my account. Let's analyze what and all cookies are there. First is session ID. So session ID is basically a cookie which is used to maintain the user session. Okay, now what is a session? Have you noticed that if you log into Instagram once, you don't need to log into it again and again? Why? Because it when you log in the first time, the Instagram server generates a session cookie, and then it stores that session cookie to your local machine or mobile phone, whatever it is, and then when you again open Instagram second time, your browser or mobile device will take that cookie, session cookie, and it will send it to Instagram server to verify whether the cookie is correct or not. If the cookie is correct, then Instagram logs you in automatically without asking for any password. So this is called a session cookie. So like session cookies, multiple cookies are there. CSRF token is also there. It's again a bit complex cybersecurity term. Uh, yeah. Okay. So for this challenge, let's see what we have to do. So okay. So you can access the Cookie Monster here, and good luck. We'll start. We'll see what we have given. We have given a website. Now this website says that Cookie Monster's secret recipe. It's asking me username and password. I'll just type test. Okay. Access. It says me that access is denied. But Cookie Monster says me no need password, me just need cookies. Hint, have you checked your cookies lately? So it's directly saying me that okay bro, go check your cookies fast. So I'll just open my inspect tab, I'll check the cookies, and I can see that I have a cookie over here. Okay, I'll just copy that cookie. I'll open a new tab. I'll analyze that cookie, what that cookie exactly is. So you can see that it's some gibberish. Okay, now, if you remember, I told you that these things is called as cryptographic challenges, and this is an encrypted cookie. I'll go to one website. Okay. Now, this is a very popular website, decode.fr/en. This is a very good website for all the cryptographic challenges. You can take note of it, or you can just star it in your browser. What this is, it gives you all the different types of encryption techniques, and then you can just blindly paste the encrypted text and it will decode it for you. Suppose okay, I don't know what is this, what cookie I got. Okay, I don't know what kind of encryption is that. I just type that identifier. It will show me cipher identifier. You can see that cipher identifier. I'll just paste that cookie over here, and if I type analyze, it will take some time, and it told me that it's most likely base 64 coding. Now base 64 is a kind of encoding which is very common amongst this thing capture the flag challenges. It's a very basic kind of encoding. Okay, I'll just click on base 64 encoding. Now I'll just paste that cookie over here. If I press decode, you can see that I got the flag. I got something human readable. It says that Cookie Monster love cookies. Now what I'll do is I'll just take it, copy it, go back to Pico CTF. I'll just place it and submit the flag. You can see that hooray, you have solved this challenge. This challenge is complete. It was that simple. Now let's see, we can solve multiple different challenges and determine application most fine. So you can just see the Pico CTF platform, and it's a very good platform. You can browse multiple categories of multiple difficulty levels of the this thing, the challenges, and it's a very good platform. Like you can even you can upload your own challenges. Fine. Now I'll show you what other kind of web exploitation challenges can be there. So I'll open this website. This website is only for testing purposes. You can also visit the website. Wait, I'll reopen it. Login page. Mhm. Fine, I guess the website is down lately. Uh, okay, leave. We'll basically one more type of challenge is SQLI. Just I'll just show you how SQLI works. If I can find a challenge on Pico CTF. This is a medium difficulty. I can't find easy. No, SQL easy difficulty is not there. Web exploitation, cryptography. Okay. Fine, I guess. So I'll just explain you like normally what is SQL injection. So basically, what SQL injection is, you suppose you have been given one website and you have to log into that website. Okay, you don't know the password and all, anything you don't know. What you have to do is basically log into the website. Wait, just give me 1 minute and I'll show you exactly how it works. I'll open one tab and I'll explain you how exactly it works. Okay, SQLI, and now I'll show you how SQLI, what is exactly SQLI. Fine. So you can see that what SQLI is. Suppose you get a login form, okay? Suppose you got a login form like this. That says login, please. Obviously, you have to log into the website. Now, when you log in, what happens in the database is it runs a query. Okay, like select star from user where username equal to Rishi and password equal to pass. Now, if the query runs successfully and if the result is true, then it will tell me that login successful and it will redirect me to this. See that for this query to be to be true, these both statements should be true. Okay. Now in a SQL injection attack, I know the username. Fine, I know what is the username, but I don't know what the password is. So what I will do is I will just type Rishi or the username which I know. Basically, in the basic attacks are commonly admin is the username and admin is the password. Mostly admin is used as a username. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll just type Rishi or admin whatever as username, and I'll add these two things if you can see, one apostrophe and two hyphens. Okay, after Rishi, and then in password I'll just type some gibberish. Now what will happen is in the database when this query will run, Select star from where username is equal to Rishi apostrophe dash dash and password equal to any gibberish. What will happen is, see this thing, this SQL syntax will comment out the rest of the query. So this is not even getting checked in the query because it's basically a comment. You know what a comment is, right? Because in coding also in Python we use hash to type the comment. Now uh, it will tell that username, yeah, username is true, and then it will log me in. It will log me to the Rishi's user without even knowing the password. This is called as SQL injection attack. Uh, Next type of attack is NMAP. Okay, not NMAP, OSINT. So in OSINT, basically what you do is victims like maybe let's say I am the target, you are the attacker. I have uploaded some information publicly, right? So what I'll do is I'll just upload my public information online, like maybe some Instagram post or my birthday or anything. You being an attacker, you will just research about me because you know the fifth point I told you, the requirements for CTS is you should know how to do research. So you will research about me, what, who am I, what information have I uploaded, how this is used in CTFs. The or organizers, maybe the organizers have saved some information on their public account, some flag value on the public account, and then just simply you simply can go and check the flag value and then paste it. Okay, so these are two things. So let's move on to cryptographic challenges. I'll open this website and let's say I have an image with me, random image I'll download. Okay, I'll just download this image. mm, Save image. Okay, now I'll tell you what is steganographic challenges and how exactly does they look. I'll just type steghide online. Steghide is a software which is used to hide the data. See, this is a website. There are multiple websites. You can see Steg Online, Steganographic Decoder. There are multiple. Steganographic Decoder is used for this thing, to decode with password or to encode with password. Okay, I'll just tell you. I'll choose a file which I just downloaded. Okay, I'll just give password as Rishi Proton, or let's say Proton CTF. I'll give it as a password. Sorry, I have to encode first because without encoding, how can I decode, right? I'll encode the file. I'll give password as Proton CTF. Text, what I have to hide, I'll just say Rishi is taking workshop, or maybe you can say flag and something. Okay, maybe you can say that this is the flag. Okay, and I have hidden it inside the image. I'll submit it. I'll save it. Okay, now you will be given this image. Okay, yeah, you will be given this image, and you'll be told that there is some information hidden inside the image. Now, your first thought should be, okay, if there is something hidden inside the image, I should check steganographic tools. What I'll do is I'll just go to this website or any website I can go. I'll choose this file and I'll maybe we have to find password via some other means, and maybe I have been given the password directly. In this case, I know the password as Proton CTF. I'll just see and view the raw output and then I'll submit it. If I submit, you can see that the data which I have hidden inside the image is visible clearly. Okay. Now let's say, what if I don't know what is the password? If I don't know the password, if I leave the password blank and if I submit, it will just say that this file may not contain steganographic data or you may have specified an incorrect password. Alright, so this is one thing. Now, so for this kind, maybe sometimes the organizers don't use password to hide the data. Now, second type of challenges in steganography is with metadata. Okay, what is metadata? I'll tell you. Metadata viewer, fine, not this. I'll use this website called as exif.tools and random.jpg upload files. Yeah, so I uploaded one image, you can see. Okay, I have uploaded that image which I downloaded, and that image, it is containing these many values, okay, inside it that we cannot see. This is known as exif information or metadata of the image. Now, even when you capture any image from your phone, it also have too much metadata inside, like hidden inside it, like your location, your phone model, your camera type, your lens, the flash is on or off, or multiple things there will be. Now, what organizers can do in some CTFs, I mean in some challenges, they can hide the flag in metadata. Okay, like maybe instead of this thing progressive Huffman coding, they can write that, like they can hide the flag, they can write the flag, maybe instead of color components 3 they can hide the flag, maybe instead of some location they can hide the flag. Okay, file access, file modification date and time, I can remove it and I can hide the flag inside it. This is another type of challenge. Now I'll tell you some basic encoding methods which organizers use. That is, one I told you is base 64. See that if I type any text over here, I'll just type one flag. Okay, proton, this is a flag. Okay, now I want to hide this flag. Okay, but like I want to give this flag to you, but if I give it to you blindly, you can guess the flag. But I want to make it as a challenge. I'll just encrypt it, and I get this string. You can see that I get this string. I'll copy the string, and when I paste it over here and I decode the string, you can see that I get the flag back. Now in the CTF challenge, what will happen is you will be given this string only, nothing else, only this string you will be given. You have to take this string, you have to identify what kind of encoding they might be using, the organizers might be using, and then you have to decode that thing, and then you'll get the flag. It's that simple. Now, let's see some other kind of encoding. Let's see Caesar cipher. Caesar cipher. So what Caesar cipher is, you can see that if I type hi, sorry, this is decrypt. If I type this thing, see, I type anything, maybe proton, hello, there. Okay, yeah. If I type this and if I encrypt it, I have, you can see that I have used the shift key as 12. I can give anything. Now what Caesar cipher is, basically, suppose I have given A, B, C. This is a string which I have to hide, and I have given shift as 3. What it will do is it will shift each alphabet to its third position. Alright. So you can see that if I give A, B, C and I give shift as 3 and I encrypt, you can see that it will give me D, E, F. Like basically it shifted it to 3 steps forward. Now similarly, if I give it proton, hello there, and if I give the shift number as 7 and if I press encrypt, it will shift each and every alphabet, not the curly braces, it will shift each and every alphabet 7 times. Okay, so the flag which I get is this. Alright, this is another type of steganographic challenge. Okay, then one type of encoding is base 32 is also used sometimes. Base 32, and yeah, ASCII encoding is very important. ASCII code. Okay, ASCII encoding is maybe very important. I'll just wait a minute. Yeah, encrypt. Hello there. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'll just take this thing again. I'll tell you what ASCII encrypting is. Yeah, what happened right now? Do you know that each character, just let me know in the chat box that how many of you know this thing, that each character is having an ASCII value. ASCII is American Standard Coding, right? So how many of you know that each character A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, each character is having its own ASCII value. So what it's doing is it's just taking the ASCII value of the character and then just writing it down. So if I type P, its ASCII value is 70. If I type small a, small a's ASCII value is 61. Capital A's ASCII value is 41. Okay. So like this, it's very simple. It just replaces all the this thing characters with their respective ASCII values. Now, yeah. So next is base 32. Base 32 is also used many places. Okay, like suppose I have entered this text, try changing the file type or maybe try changing the website. Okay, I'll encrypt it. I get this. Now this is base 32 encoded. I told you base 64, it's just half. Okay, base 32. Now if I decrypt it, I get the like encoded string. So these are all the different kinds of encoding techniques. Now there is something called as Wireshark. Have you heard about the tool Wireshark? How many of you have heard about Wireshark? Let me know in the comment section. I learned about it. Yeah, yes, yes. Perfect. Okay, so I'll just show you Wireshark packet monitor. Yes, correct. A very important tool. Yes, yes. Very good, very good. So, this is Wireshark, you can see. Okay. Now, what happens is it can basically analyze the network traffic, like whatever the packets are flowing, it can analyze that. Now, suppose what happens is they will be given some packets, okay, like Wireshark, when you capture some packets, you can save the whole capture as a file, okay? So that extension is pcap or pcap png. Now, I have given one file, let's say pcap png. Okay, I opened that file. This is a real CTF challenge which I was solving and I liked it very much. So I am showing it to you. Now you can see that there are too many activities going on in the network. Okay. Now what happens is what organizers will do, basically hide the flag inside one of the network activity. Very simple, right? Now most of the time, 99% of the time, it will be HTTP request, post method. Okay, so what I just now did is you can see here that I have entered one filter, http.request.method equal to post. All right. Now, what is that? That is a filter. Now you can see that there are many queries going on over here. Like there are multiple different protocols: HTTP, TCP, DNS protocol, uh, HTTP, HTTPS, TCP, UDP. Multiple different protocols are there. All right. What Wireshark does is it just analyze all the different protocols, because in one network, many different protocols will be going on, right? Now, suppose I'm doing this live stream. So if I turn on my network monitor, many UDP packets will be flooding. UDP is user datagram protocol. YouTube live streams and other live streaming platforms use UDP. Uh, I'll not go deep inside what TCP and UDP is because it will take too much of the time, and I'm just thinking to keep this workshop as short as possible. So, okay, you can see that one packet is UDP. So what I was given in this, I'll just tell you how I think of challenges when I get some files from challenges. So when I was given this file, I was told that the flag hides inside this file in plain sight. Okay. Now when they said that the flag hides in plain sight, I thought that okay, if the flag is in plain sight, it might not be encrypted. It should not be encrypted. So my first try was HTTP. I fetched all the HTTP requests, all the post requests, because most of the time if you are sending some data, like if I am making the pcap file for you, I will be uploading I will be sending the flag over the network to some HTTP request, so that that request can get captured and I can see. So most of the time it's in the post request. So my first methodology was, I just thought like, okay, the flag is in plain sight, I'll try post method first. Then I just typed post why filter change, bro. Fine. Huh. I just went through all the post method, because you can see the data is in raw, like not encrypted, raw format. The data is here is in raw format. Like, see all the things over here. You can see at the bottom of the screen. Everything is in raw format. Nothing is encrypted. Online certificate status, TBS request, request this thing. Even the certificate and hash algorithm and everything like that is in plain text, not encrypted. Here HTTPS comes in. In HTTPS, all the traffic, whatever the data is being transferred, is encrypted. So my first thought was like, okay, I'll try to search in HTTP post methods to search for the flags, but I didn't got any flags in that. I searched through every single data. I even searched flag and all. Then what happened is, I was like, okay, might not be in post. It should be in get. Yeah, it should be in get. So these are all the things, container.png and all XYZ. There was nothing. I tried all the get, like I viewed all these things. There was nothing. Now what happened is, we got a hint from the organizers of the CTF that ICMP packets might be hiding some secrets. Okay, so I just search all the ICMP packets. ICMP. These are all the ICMP packets. So ICMP is basically used to ping other systems. You know ping? Do you guys know ping? What ping is? Ping is basically used to check whether the other system is live or not. Like the network IP address, whatever we are trying to see is live or not, is up or not. Okay, so I just viewed all the pings. I can see some data. Do you guys see the data? You have to see the data over here or over here. I'll just expand this data. When I viewed all these pings, I saw some data in all the things. See, in this, the data is different, this thing. And this, the data is different, this thing. So what I did is, I just copied all the things. Yeah. Okay, I'll just copy all the things, and one by one I'll copy. This is a request. I'll copy because request and reply have the same data. You can see that the request is also having this data, and the reply of the same is also having this data only. Okay. Now I'll just copy the data, copy the value, and I'll just keep it with me. I'll go to next request. I'll again just copy the data, copy value, and I'll just keep it. Again, the next request I'll go, I'll copy value, and I'll just keep it with me. Similarly, I'll do it for all the available requests because I can see that some data is being transferred over ping. Usually ping don't transfer any data, but in this case, because it's a challenge, some data is being transferred over ping. Now it's almost done, just last two packets. Yeah. So now I have the whole string with me. Okay, so I have the whole string with me. I'll just show you the whole string is here. Now I can't identify what kind of cipher or what kind of encoding is this. What I'll do, I'll just go to this website, I'll just type identify, I'll just go to cipher identifier, I'll just paste the string over here and I'll press analyze. When I analyze this, it tells me it's UPCI cipher. I don't know what is that. I'll just try it. Maybe it's that. I'll just try it. It returned me something. I'll copy this thing again because it's not gibberish, it's human readable form. So it means that it's working. I'll paste that again, I'll analyze it. Again, it's telling me that it's UPCI, but I know that it's not UPCI. It's not giving me anything with two tries also, so I'll just leave it. I'll try hexadecimal base 16 because it does look like hexadecimal values to me. Okay, just a minute. Okay, sorry. So what I'll do is I'll just paste this in hexadecimal thing. Oh, sorry. Huh. And then I'll convert it. I'll see what I get. I get this long value. It's not working. I was just trying like this and then I opened this thing, hex to strings. I went to this website, I pasted this, convert. It returned me this thing. Ah, so now this thing is looking something like base 64. Now I don't know, I haven't remembered all the encoding techniques, but because I have solved many CTF challenges, I can tell that it looks like a base 64 encoding. What I'll do, I'll just type base 64. I'll just try. I'm just trying. I'm solving a challenge with you guys. I'll paste it, I'll decode it. I am getting nothing. Okay, I'll try something else. By something base. I'll try base 62 maybe. I'll just paste it. I'll decode it. But yeah, now I got something else. If I copy this now and not hexadecimal, we'll try ASCII this time. I just went to ASCII converter and then pasted it, decrypt. Here. Now you can see that password I got. Now how I got to know that this is ASCII? Because I have solved the challenge. I tried multiple things. I tried base 64. I tried, no, this is looking like hexadecimal or octal. Okay, so I just tried, I was just trying it out and I just got to know that it's ASCII. And when I solved it in ASCII, I just got the password like this, hidden world under bit. I used this password as my flag and boom, the challenge was solved. I hope you are understanding what I'm saying. So if you guys have any issues, if you are like any doubts you are having, you can just let me know in the chat box. Let's see if you guys are understanding or not. If you guys are understanding, just let me know in the comment, like, yeah, understanding everything. If you are having any doubts, you can just tell in the comment section, like chat box. Let's go. We'll wait 5 minutes and then we'll start the CTFD thing for tomorrow. Uh, Crazy, bro. You are amazing. Lol. How did you learn all this? Bro, just practicing, bro. Different platforms and multiple CTFs and all XYZ. Crazy. So if you have any doubts, you can just ask me in the comment section. We'll start in 2 minutes. I am just waiting for you all the doubts and anything. Because the theory section is now completed. All the basics which you need to know about the CTFs is all now done. Is there someone other than NMMIT? Is there? I don't think there'll be anyone outside NMMIT though. How long did you take to come till this level of experience? Nothing, bro. Just hardly 1 year actually. Because if you solve CTF challenges and if you do these things on regular basis, no, you can get to know all these things very easily. Yeah, you can use these tools tomorrow. Yes, yes, yes. You can definitely use these tools tomorrow. And for tomorrow, all the challenges are web based, like not web exploitation. You don't need to download any software or anything for that. Everything is web based. You can say that yes, we are going to give you challenges similar to that. Okay. So I guess the doubts and all are finished. We'll take one another doubt session at the end, if that's okay. Fine. So now I'll tell you about tomorrow's CTF, which is very important again. Okay, first wait. Some things are remaining in PPT. We'll finish that off first. I am watching the chat box. Okay? I am watching it. Fine. So we'll finish off the PPT fast. What to expect in your first CTF, which is tomorrow. Many people are having their very first CTF tomorrow. So you'll be facing puzzles or problems in areas like coding, web, crypto, or reverse engineering. Okay, I'll not say anything. I'll not give any hints for tomorrow because it took around a week to make the challenge. So yeah, figure it out yourself. Each challenge gives you a flag when solved. You'll Google a lot, and that's totally normal. Yes, that is totally normal because you are not a pro. Neither am I, neither is anyone. Okay, so even I Google in challenges, even I use AI somewhat, and yeah, that is how you learn. So, next thing, expect to get stuck. That's the part of learning. Yes, so don't feel bad if you are stuck at a challenge tomorrow, okay? Like, okay, I can't solve this. There will be multiple challenges. If you are stuck at one, you can be stuck at one, or you can just move ahead and solve another challenge, which is easier. Like solving just one or two problems is a big win at the start. Yes, this is a very important point that you should note because when it's your very first CTF, no, solving even one or two problems is a very big thing because you don't know anything, you don't have any experience about the CTFs and all. you are just very new to the CTF platforms. You are just very new to this type of competition. So it's very important that you focus on solving at least one or two problems, not all the problems, or not you should not focus on topping the scoreboard when it's a very first CTF or it's initial days. You should focus on solving the problems rather than solving them fast, because if you're solving the problem normally, not rushing to solve it, you will get to learn many things. Okay, that's how you learn. Don't just rush to solve the problems, rush to learn from the problem how they are made, so that it will add on, and then next challenge you can, if you get some similar problems, you know how to do it, you know what to do it, and then you will just tuck 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 climb up the ladder. Okay, next, CTF terminologies. These are some CTF terminologies. I just copy pasted this, to be very honest. I didn't sat down and type this with my hand. I just copy pasted this from internet. I found some good CTF terminologies. I thought like I should be sharing it with you all. I just pasted them in the PPT. You can read the terminologies. First is flag. What is a flag? A hidden piece of text like flag found you, flag you found me, or something like that. That proves you solved a challenge. Like you remember we solved the Pico CTF ka one challenge, that we got Pico CTF curly braces something something, that was a flag. We submitted that and that proved that yes, I solved the challenge. Next is payload. A piece of code you send to a system to make it behave in a certain way, often used to exploit something. Self-explanatory, bro. What do you need? No, what do you need to explain in this? Any doubts you have, you just drop into the comment section, and I'll just read the comment section after the PPT. I'm just continuously reading the comment section as well. Don't worry about that. If you are facing any doubts in between the session, anytime, you just drop it in the chat box and I'll reply it. Reverse shell, no need shell. A command line interface that lets you control a system. Getting a shell means gaining access. Yes. Base64, Stego, brute force, port scanning, obfuscation, hash. Yeah, obfuscation. Obfuscation is, a very important thing, because read the definition first. Making a code or data harder to read to hide what it's doing. Basically, hashing or encrypting is a type of obfuscation. You can say that, because it's harder to read that kind of data. Maybe there are to hide one single alphabet, or maybe flag. I have to hide this word flag. I will write many lines of codes, like multiple lines of code, infinitely many. It's very hard to read. Just to hide the word flag inside that, it's very hard to find, right? That's called as obfuscation. Hash encoding versus encryption. You can just see that. And okay, so before conclusion, I will tell you what you have to do tomorrow so that you are well prepared. Okay. Mm, okay. I'll just tell you what you have to do, what you guys have to do tomorrow. Tomorrow when you come to lab for Proton CTF, I'll tell you, bro, Rohit. I'll tell you. You panic. Very good. Okay. So tomorrow when you come to lab, you will see a platform like this. Not these all text, not these all texts. These all are just random, just for me. Okay. So tomorrow you will be given an IP address where you have to go, and just open that IP address. When you open, you'll see a platform like this. What you have to do is you have to register first. You just type your username. Let's say I typed it. Email I'll type, and password. I registered, and when you will register, you will see this kind of page, team. Now many of you are solo and many of you are duos and many of you are trios. Okay, solo people, just make note that you just have to create a team, uh, name the team, maybe my team, and team password you have to give. Okay, It can be anything. It can be anything. Need not to be something specific. Team name should be a good one because it will be shared across the platforms and socials if you win. And yeah, so when you log in, when you create a team, you will be seeing something like this. These all are the challenges. You click on one, you see this 42 is the answer. Multiple challenges, multiple choice questions will not be there. Don't worry about that. I'll submit. See, if it's correct, it will tell me it's correct, and I have solved it. Forensics, it will give me one image like this. It's not loading. Some internet issues. Some internet issues maybe. Now we can just I have to find the flag from this and then done. So like this, there will be multiple challenges for you. Now this was for solos. For duos and trios, what you have to do is when you register your team, make note of it very clearly because tomorrow you won't be having any time to solve the like to ask the doubts and then solve the challenges. Tomorrow you have to set up everything by yourself. Now duos and trios, what you have to do is you just have to make the team. One person from your team may have to make the team. The other two person or the other person have to join the team. When I click the team, I saw two, one join team, one create team. So one person from the team has to create a team. Other people have to join the team using same email, using the same email and password. Come as early as possible. Like 9:30 will be starting, so you should be in the labs by 9 o'clock. The venues and all are assigned to you all anyways. So I mean reporting venues have been assigned to you. So this will be what you have like you will be doing this all. Okay, you have to go there. You have to turn on the system. Bring your laptop. Like it's not compulsory. You can use the college lab systems. They are ready, but I recommend you that I suggest you that bring your laptops with you if they have a LAN port because LAN port if you know this kind of cable you have to in this type of cable you have to put this kind of interface if you can see. Okay, so wait, if it was not focused I believe. Yeah, fine. So this kind of cable you will be needing to connect with the challenge. Fine. Okay, so you'll be connecting to LAN and you have to do this. Connect to LAN cable, open the portal or website. We will be giving you the website links and all everything. Don't worry about that. And then create a team, join a team, whatever you are. If you are duo, you have to join. Create one person have to create team, other person have to join the team. If you are trios, one person have to create the team, other two have to join the team. I am making it very clear because you will not be having much time to set it up in the morning. Okay, so like yeah, these all are the things. Now, when all this is done, what will happen tomorrow is you will be seeing this challenges wala page. Now you have to start just as soon as you see the challenges will be visible exactly at 9:30. As soon as you see the challenges, you just have to start solving it because there are many challenges and multiple categories are there. You just have to start solving the challenges as soon as you see the challenges at your end. Then just start solving with your team and all. Do not share the flags with other teams. It's a competition, and if you share, you are increasing your competition. Fine. And then also you'll be disqualified if we catch you. Fine. So yeah, all these things are there. Now next, what you have to do is yeah, one more rule that it will be hosted on my own laptop, a physical system, not a cloud infrastructure, not anywhere else. Do not DOS the system, please. Fine. Do not DOS the system. If you DOS it, DOS means denial of service. If you DOS the system, it will be down, and we will know who DOSed it, and we'll be disqualifying the team. You'll be straight away thrown out of the challenge. Okay, so now you don't DOS the system at all. Just solve the challenges as soon as possible. Sharing of flags with other teams not allowed. Sharing of flags with people outside the campus area or who are not the participants not allowed, because I'll tell you later. I'll tell you later. If I tell you now, you'll find some solution for this. I know that. Okay, yeah. If you have any doubts, just drop it into the comments box, chat box, and I'll read it and I'll answer all the doubts. 362 views we are on. Uh, Ashlesh, I guess you are trying to say stegno. Steganography will be there. Fine, fine. Ste Can we use? Yeah, yes, 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 yes. You can use ChatGPT and any AI you want. I'll suggest you not to use, like you can use, no restrictions on that, because I'll suggest you not to use, because you will learn this way. If you just give everything to ChatGPT, black box or AI or anything, Gemini and all, you'll not learn anything actually. So you can use these things, all the AI LLMs you can use, but I won't suggest using this thing. Is it necessary to bring our own? No, bro. It's Varun. It's not necessary to bring your own laptop. I suggest you bring your laptop if you have a LAN port, because if it's your own system, it will be easier for you to solve the challenges. Anyways, it's not required to, download any software as such. But if you want to make your work easier, you can download some software. But on college systems, I don't think you'll be able to download the softwares. So I mean, we'll see. We'll manage that. Don't worry about that, bro. What are the prices? Prices are very good, Rohit. For you, very good prices. How long will the event take totally? Event will be of 3 hours in total, 9:30 to 12:30. 9:30 the challenges will be visible to all. 12:30 the platform will be down. 12:30, 3 hours. 3 hours in total. I won't say I won't say the price, bro. Don't worry. I am not ignoring you, bro, Rohit. I am ignoring no one. Prices are very good, I told you, no? Very good prices are there. Okay, Google CTF, I told this, I told the. Yeah, one platform I forgot to tell you. Wait, at an average, how long does it take, or should we take to complete the CTF? It should take 2.5 to 3 hours to solve all the challenges. It depends, bro. The scoreboard is timing plus this thing. Score, mostly score, because timing will not matter, because as every like most of the people are new over here, so timing won't matter as such. It will be scores mostly. It should take you 3 hours to solve all the challenges in total. Like on average, if you know how to solve some challenges, if you know the basics, and if you know some programming, you should be okay with 3 hours. But then again, burp suit is remaining. Burp suit is not required for tomorrow, bro. Is the number of websites we can use is limited? No, it's not limited. You can use any number of websites you want, and you can use any number of any AI tool you want. Yeah, one thing I forgot to tell you is this thing. This is a very good website again. I told you Decode, right? This website decode.fr. Now this is again a very good website called a Cyber Chef. What it does is, suppose I give it as input, Proton CTF flag 1. Okay, suppose I gave you I give it this input and I put this recipe. See, it has given me the base 64 encoded. Suppose I give it again. Now it's double base 64 encoded. Now, like basically in decode, what we were doing is first encoding, I mean first decoding, then again encoding, and like this. I'll take this example, okay? We converted it from hex, right? Okay. I'll do one thing. I'll just do input. I'll just give this as input, I believe. I'll copy it. I give this as input. I don't want base 64. I don't want base 64. Now I know that from hex I have to convert first, then base 62, base 62, 62, from base 62, and then ASCII. From ASCII is not there. Crazy. Huh? What the fuck? What? ASCII. ASCII is not there. That's crazy actually. Fine, I guess. ASCII. Hex content is there. ASCII is not there. Fine. So basically, ASCII is not there in this. For ASCII, you have to use something else. I believe. Yes. For ASCII, you have to use something else. Language, utils. Fine. I'll just take it and then put it in ASCII code and code converter, and we. Yeah, done. So basically what CyberChef did is, in decode I was using two steps, like first decoding it from hex, then again copying it, pasting it to base, again to base 62, then from base 62 again decoding it and copying it and pasting it in ASCII. Here it was very easy. I just decoded from hex to base 62 and it gave me this. Now ASCII is not there, that is not my fault, that's the CyberChef's fault. I'll just tell them to include it. Okay, fine. Wait. There are some doubts. What if core team helping us? The core team will not be helping you guys. The instructions are clear to everyone, and even if the core team helps you, the challenges core team also don't know about the challenges, so they cannot help you as such. They actually the core team also don't know where the flags are hidden and all exactly, so they can't, even if they want it, they can't help you. So yeah, Can we discuss the problems with our team? Yeah, obviously. Within your own team, you can discuss the problem. You can share the flag within your own team. But with other teams, you cannot. It's not allowed. Technical team, they can, right? No, technical team also cannot. They don't know where the flags are hidden. I have created it. Mostly all the challenges I only have created, so only I know how to solve the challenges. Only I can help you, but I won't. Core team won't be helping you, don't worry about that. If they help you, they are disqualified. Can a solo member join other group? At the time of registration, bro, you have to tell us with what team you want to join. But like registrations are now done, like everything is sorted, so I don't think now you can join other team. If you are bringing someone else with you, you can, but you can't join other team, other registered team now. It's too late. The basic answer for Varun is no, you cannot join any other team. And if you are bringing someone else with you, even that is not possible now because everything we have done and all the registrations and all the lists are sorted. So it will be difficult for us if you bring anyone else with you now. Team should solve only one problem at a time. No, it's nothing like that. If there are three people in a team, each of the member can focus on different problems. Like all the challenges will be visible at once. So maybe first member can solve one challenge, second can solve other, and third one can solve other challenge. There is no restrictions like that. Core people can participate too. Then, uh, no code people cannot participate. Hello Rishi, hello Karthik, hello. Yeah, okay. So 5 more minutes and then we'll end the stream, I guess. The workshop is done. Whatever I have to tell you, I told. Yeah, the conclusion. Oh, we left the conclusion. So CTF challenges provide an enjoyable and hands-on approach for anyone interested in ethical hacking and cybersecurity. People can start these challenges without previous experience by knowing basic computer concepts and showing interest in solving problems. I repeat, this is not like these CTFs are not only for cybersecurity people. This is for anyone who loves problem solving. So yeah, if you love problem solving, you are welcome to any CTF. If you have any doubts, you can tell in the comment box. Otherwise, we can end the stream at 8:30 exactly. नेक्स्ट सीटीएफ कब होगा? ब्रो पहले ये वाला होने दो. नेक्स्ट सीटीएफ बताएंगे. Will we will only use Wireshark? No, 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 no. It's not like that. You can use any tool. The different challenges required different tools. Nmap won't be needed. No, Nmap won't be needed. It's not required. Oh, his bro. I'll see you. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, use anything you want to use. Karthik, no worries, bro. Join next time, next CTF. We'll be keep on conducting CTFs now. This is our first CTF, which Proton is conducting, and now we'll be conducting. Don't worry. Burp suit also not required. Burp suit, yeah, burp suit also not required. Not required. It's basic challenges, so yeah. Okay. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Yeah, so we'll end the workshop at 8:30, like end the stream at 8:30. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for joining. Wireshark is not required, bro. Like, not just Wireshark, Burp Suit is not required. Is Proton Club registration open or not? Proton is the association, bro. Other department people can't join Proton, by the way. Thank you for your interest. Thank you very much for your interest. We have something else. We'll tell you soon if something is there. Like we have, but we'll tell you. Don't worry. Non-cybersecurity member can join Proton. No, 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 no. Proton is association for Department of Cybersecurity. So non-cybersecurity department people cannot join Proton. Anyways, we might have something for non-cybersecurity department members as well. Yes, bro, I'm the president at Proton. Switching department then. Haha, sure, bro. Rahul, bro. Chalo. Okay, bro. Okay, guys. We'll end the stream now. Thank you, everyone, for joining. I think VP is here. Who is? Where is VP? I can't see VP. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for joining. We will end the stream now. Bye, 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 bye. Thank you, bro. Thank you.